How do people who love baking survive dorm life? Microwave mug cakes are a classic staple for people without ovens. Here's a mug cake slice with bruleed marshmallow I made earlier today. But what if I'm too busy to actually use a microwave? I suppose I should just pour the ingredients into the mug. Well, since it's topped with marshmallow, I could always cut some corners by spooning in some of this marshmallow material that I prepared earlier, as you can see, and just use my brulee torch to make it hard on the top. Lovely. Bruleed it on the top and we're all ready to go. You'd never be able to tell that I didn't put that in the microwave. We started the semester by discussing experiments as an alternative to the highest paid person's opinion. We've also discussed many ways that research can go wrong without peer review. In this week's class, we'll discuss the uses and the misuses of research. Carol Weiss's article on the many meanings of research utilization gives us a vocabulary for thinking about the good, bad, and complicated uses of research to develop knowledge, to solve problems, to inform decision-making, to score political points, to deflect criticism, and what Weiss calls enlightenment. In Anne Scheele's blog post about fast-moving pandemic research, we'll also discuss debates among scientists about the risk of publishing partially baked ideas when they might get used before they're ready. After all, when time is short, it's important to get knowledge out there where it can make the most difference, just like my mug cake. See you in class.